Are you in a situation that you woke up late and you're damn hungry and you don't have time to cook? How about starting a day with some super wholesome granola without spending much of your precious morning time in the kitchen? As it can be easily stored for 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container while kept in the fridge, and can be paired with any fruits of your choice. And voila! Your breakfast is ready just like that. And I always like to pair it with some homemade Nutella. I'll leave the link in the description box. Let's get started and see how to make granola. You can take any nuts of your choice. I have taken some almonds, cashews and walnuts. Dry roast each of them. Next you would need some sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and some flax seeds. Be very careful while roasting the flax seeds. If possible, close the lid. Next I'm dry roasting 350 grams of rolled oats for quite a few seconds. Then we are going to coarsely chop all the nuts that we just roasted. As I already said, you can take any nuts in any combination that you would like. Pecans and hazelnuts are also incredible. Next thing I would need is some tahini. And to prepare tahini, you need some sesame seeds. First let's dry roast sesame seeds till it's golden in color. Add it to your jar and grind it till it turns smooth in texture. In between, open the lid and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now to the same jar we are going to add a cup of soft dates with the pits removed. Add tahini back to this mixture and blend it until it's smooth and creamy. You can add some water as well. Now let's grease our baking tray with some coconut oil. Then we are going to add everything to a large bowl or a plate and give the whole thing a mix. You can either use spoon or your hands until it's thoroughly combined. At this stage I'm adding some watermelon seeds. As I like the raw taste of it, I haven't dry roasted it. Now let's add the paste that I made. And combine everything thoroughly, adding some honey in between. Now let's transfer the mixture to a baking tray. Press it a bit and add some cranberries and blueberries on top. As I don't have oven, I'm baking it in the pressure cooker. After 15 minutes, let it cool for another 15 minutes. From the first batch, I'm making these small balls as me and Rakesh will have evening and night cravings, and I feel this is an amazing, healthy and nutritious replacement to all those junk that we eat. And from the batch 2, I'm making these crunchy granolas to eat during our breakfast time. When it's done, remove it and spread it on a large plate, letting it cool for about 15 minutes. After which you can transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. But I guarantee you will finish it much sooner than that. Well, hope you learned something new today, and it's time for me to sign off. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and spread the love. Bye.